If you want a garden that bursts with color in the spring, plant tulips in the fall. After a long, dreary winter, their vibrant hues will brighten the landscape. Choose a mixture of early, mid, and late season varieties, and you will enjoy a show for weeks on end. What's more, they make beautiful bouquets. While tulips are extraordinarily easy to grow, success depends on keeping critters away, both when planting and at bloom time. Squirrels, chipmunks, and other pests have a penchant for discovering freshly planted bulbs and digging them up for a snack. The solution is easy. Before planting, protect tulip bulbs with Bob-X R concentrate. To do so, first remove any loose skin from the bulbs. Soak them in undiluted Bob-X R concentrate for 2 to 5 minutes, and you're ready to plant. You'll want to wear gloves while handling the bulbs so you don't end up smelling like Bob-X. When the buds emerge in spring, don't let scavenging deer spoil the show. Spray your tulip buds with Bob-X deer repellent and keep spraying every 10 to 14 days. Rated number 1 in an independent study of leading deer repellents, Bob-X is guaranteed and won't wash off. That's all there is to it. If you've avoided growing tulips because of deer and other garden pests, stop depriving yourself. With the help of Bob-X, you can look forward to easy care colorful tulips all spring long. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.